To find your UPI ID in Google Pay, follow these steps. First, open the Google Pay app on your mobile device. If you have not already, set up your account by following the prompts to add a bank account and verify your phone number. Once your account is set up, tap on your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings and Account Overview page. From here, scroll down to the section labeled Payment Methods. Under Payment Methods, you will see a list of your linked bank accounts. Tap on the account for which you want to find the UPI ID. On the next screen, you will see the details of the linked account, including the account holder name, IFSC code, and account number. Your UPI ID is usually in the format of your phone number or a custom ID followed by the @ symbol. And the bank code, such as XYZ at Oakbank or 9,876,543,210 at Oakbank. Look for this format on the Account Details page. If you cannot find your UPI ID on this page, go back to the Settings page and look for the Help or FAQs section. Here, you can find more information on how to find and use your UPI ID. It is also important to note that you can have multiple UPI IDs linked to a single bank account, so make sure you are looking at the correct account details. Additionally, you can use the Google Pay app to create a new UPI ID or modify an existing one. By following these steps, you should be able to find your UPI ID in Google Pay and use it for transactions. Remember to always keep your UPI ID and other account details secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions.